Welcome to our channel. If you want to find affordable land for sale, follow these step-by-step instructions to discover great deals on property within your budget. Step 1. Define your land criteria, including desired location, size, zoning requirements, utilities access, and maximum budget before beginning your search. Step 2. Use online marketplaces like LandWatch, Zillow, Realtor.com, and LandHub to search for available land listings with filters for price, acreage, and location. Step 3. Search for tax-delinquent properties through county tax assessor websites where owners may be motivated to sell quickly at below-market prices. Step 4. Attend county tax lien or tax deed auctions where governments sell land to recover unpaid property taxes, often at significant discounts. Step 5. Contact rural landowners directly by driving through areas you're interested in and noting "for sale" signs or contacting owners of vacant land. Step 6. Work with a local real estate agent specializing in land sales who has access to off-market properties and understands local market conditions. Step 7. Check government land sales including Bureau of Land Management auctions, Forest Service sales, or surplus property disposal programs. Step 8. Verify all property details including clear title, access rights, zoning restrictions, soil quality, and environmental issues before making an offer on any land. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.